Make today the day that changes everything. Hi, Brian Moran again with the 12-Week Year Challenge. And today what I want to talk to you about is how you see failure. Do you see it as a permanent or temporary condition? Is it a learning experience or something to be avoided? Right? See, oftentimes when we fail, we tend to look at it as something really bad, and we lose confidence and we pull back and we start to doubt ourselves, and all these things kind of creep into our thinking about, well, maybe that's not going to work for me, maybe I can't do that, maybe that's just not possible for me. And what happens is that's really unproductive. When successful people fail, they view it very differently than that. In fact, they don't take a hit with it, it actually helps them grow. They see it more as a learning experience. In fact, their mindset, we talked about thinking, right? Their thinking is totally different on that. They don't even think about it as failure. In fact, they know they're going to get knocked down a couple times. And they just expect that. So they're not surprised when it happens. And it's easier to pop up and get moving again and look at it as what I can learn from it. One of my favorite Vince Lombardi quotes is, it's not whether or not you get knocked down, it's whether or not you get up again. And I think the quicker you get up and the quicker you move forward, the more effective you're going to be in life. The more you're going to have of what you want in life, whether it's the relationships or it's the income or the self-esteem, the confidence that goes with that. So I want you to begin to think about and look at failure in a different light. Failure is simply a learning experience. It's an opportunity for you to figure out how to do it differently. Every time you execute on something, there's feedback. It's not always going to work the way you thought, but it doesn't mean it was a failure. If you're paying attention to that feedback, then you can adjust. And so begin to shift your mindset away from failure as this end-all be-all thing. It is simply a learning opportunity. And when you view it that way, when you think about it that way, then it's easy to come back and it's easy to get back and get moving again. So here's what I'd like you to think about. Where have you failed in the last week or two? And what was your thinking around that? And I'd like you to just suspend that for a moment and say, okay, what can I learn from that? Where did I get knocked down in the last week or two? And what can I learn from that? And then what's the next step I need to take? And then take that next step. Have a great day.